Hi, today I'll be making a detailed comparison of Mint Mobile and US Mobile, two of the most talked about budget carriers in 2025. Whether you're looking to save on your monthly phone bill, upgrade your current plan, or just curious about which prepaid service offers the best bang for your buck, then this video has got you covered. We'll look at what these tools are, how they work, their features, the pricing, the strengths, the weaknesses, and you'll get to see which one might be the best in 2025. Let's get started. Mint Mobile has made a name for itself as a disruptor in the wireless space. Backed by actor Ryan Reynolds until its acquisition by T-Mobile in 2023, Mint offers prepaid wireless plans with heavy discounts if you prepay for multiple months in advance. Their entire service model is built around online-only operations, which helps keep overhead low, and they pass those savings on to customers. Mint runs on T-Mobile's nationwide 5G and 4G LTE networks, meaning strong coverage in most urban and suburban areas across the US. On the other side, we've got US Mobile, a newer but very fast-growing player in the wireless market. US Mobile offers customizable plans and premium features that really stand out in the budget space. It operates on both Verizon and T-Mobile networks, giving it a dual network advantage, which is pretty rare among MVNOs. What sets US Mobile apart is its focus on personalization and flexibility. Whether you're a light user, you're a heavy streamer, or you need global roaming, US Mobile tries to have a plan that fits you. They also have an app. So at a glance, Mint Mobile is about simplicity and savings over the long term, while US Mobile is about choice, flexibility, and slightly more premium features, even if that comes at a higher cost. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. First, Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile runs on T-Mobile's 5G and 4G LTE network. It offers plans in monthly bundles. There's unlimited talk and text on all plans, 5G access at no extra cost, and there's free mobile hotspot. eSIM support is available, and there's free calling to certain countries. They also have a free trial and Wi-Fi calling and visual voicemail support. How about US Mobile? They run on two networks, Verizon and T-Mobile. You can build your own plans, and there are also unlimited plans. Premium perks like streaming subscriptions on multi-line plans are available. There are also add-on features like global data roaming. There's full eSIM support and quick activation. There's also real-time usage tracking in-app. Customer support is available 24/7, US-based customer support, and there's high-priority data on Verizon for unlimited premium users. So Mint basically is minimalistic and clean, while US Mobile leans towards flexibility and a slightly more luxury-like experience. And interestingly, for US Mobile, you get a 30 days free get started. Now, what is the pricing like? For Mint Mobile, the pricing is tiered. There are 3 months plan, 6 months plan, and 12 months plan. There's a new customer offer of $15 per month for 3 months, and you get 5 GB of data per month. There's the 6-month plan and there's the 12-month plan. All plans include high-speed data, unlimited talk and text, and nationwide coverage. Now, did you know that once the 3 months are up on your new customer offer, you can renew with a 3, 6, or 12-month plan to keep the savings going? That's a great offer. How about the US Mobile? They have an unlimited premium plan, unlimited starter plan, and unlimited flex plan. You can decide to pay monthly or annually, and you get discounts. For the unlimited premium, which is uncapped on all networks, you get $29 per month payment. Unlimited flex is the cheapest at $17.5 per month, but you only get to pay annually. You can't do this monthly, and there's also the unlimited starter plan. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of both platforms. First, the pros. For Mint Mobile, there are super affordable plans, especially on the 12-month deals, which is the annual plan, reliable coverage via T-Mobile, and 5G network is included on all the plans. There are no activation fees. And the pros of US Mobile? You can make a choice between Verizon and T-Mobile network. The plans are fully customizable. US Mobile has a great app with real-time controls, and there is a seamless 5G network with them. How about the cons? For Mint Mobile, it requires upfront payments, which may be a deal breaker for some. There is no monthly billing flexibility. And the cons of US Mobile? It is slightly more expensive than Mint, and some perks require multiple lines. And the premium features are available only on higher-end plans. So, which is best, Mint Mobile or US Mobile? Which one should you choose? Well, if you're the kind of person who wants just a simple, affordable, no frills mobile plan, and you don't mind paying upfront, then Mint Mobile is hard to beat. It's perfect for users who have consistent monthly usage and don't need premium extras like international roaming or streaming perks. However, if you want more flexibility, or you prefer pay-as-you-go billing, or you need priority data for things like video calls, gaming, or remote work, then US Mobile is a more robust option. Their customizable plans are great for users who don't fit into traditional usage boxes. Plus, the Verizon network option gives you better rural coverage than Mint's T-Mobile only access. And that's it on the comparison between Mint Mobile and US Mobile. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Visible by Verizon, Tello Mobile, and Cricket Wireless. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.